Just another Vailima Brewery's morning.
So don't stop.
Have another drink.
Wake up. It's the way that I wake up day to day.
So remember the Fali Samoa, the Samoa landing? Or Samoa? So there's a bar there called Lenu'u Bistro.
Lenu'u Bistro.
And restaurants. Yeah, they got a pool table. Yeah. So they got everything to back you up. If you're from that side, if you don't want to come down, stop by there. So you have so our package special is 40 tala for 6 cans.
6 cans.
Yeah. And the meals of the cans is 355 meals.
This is the size folded, the new size.
Yes, the new size. So the 440 is not in the stock anymore. So talking about our stock, we have everything in stock. We got cans, we got small bottles. I heard you on the radio. You say that more small bottles. Our small bottles is 600, not 1 point something. It's 600 mils, and then 1.25. That's our Kamafio and then the big size is 2 liter.
2 liter.
So we also got the Frubu and the energy drinks. It's Mother and Powerade. And don't forget, we are the one that distribute the Kerry juice. So Kerry juices, they're from Australia and New Zealand. So if you're a Kerry juice lover, we got all the flavors in stock for you. So those are the things that is happening right now in office. And then it's good to let our people know. And then, so for our office opening hours from Monday to Friday, it's 8 to 4.
Yeah.
Saturday, we're not open on Saturday anymore.
Oh.
So this is what started from last year. It's just a busy time that we have to open up for our people and then close down again.
Yeah.
So no more Saturday. So it's just Monday to Friday.
But Vanu, I believe in Wakaf Silian, 2 questions.
Yes, we got 2 questions. Yeah. I'll ask one and then I'll give you the other one.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll make up my own?
Yeah.
Yes, Maya.
Okay, our first question is, remember that we talk about 7 bars that we're running our bucket special and the price and how many cans in the bucket. So the question is, name 4. I'll start because I missed that 1 bar that is on that side.
Okay.
It's T20 at Whangalii Golf Course. So that's 1. Give us 3, and what's the price and how many cans in the buckets?
What's the price and how many cans in the bucket? And give us 3 places you will find our bucket specials going on with Vailima. That's our first question. My question is, let's see if you know your bottles. Oleale size, what is the size of the medium soft drink bottle? Vanu told us this morning a little bottle is 600 mils. So let's see if you know your bottle sizes from Vailima. On our soft drink side, what size is our medium bottle? Those are 2 questions for this morning. Text in your answer for a chance to win giveaways from Samoa Breweries. And we will be back shortly with our winning numbers and, of course, the answers to our questions. Here's a new song. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to your Friday breakfast show. We're here with Vanu. Vanu, over to you with our answers and for our questions and also our winning numbers for this morning.
Okay, thank you, Seleni. Our first question is, give us 3 because give us 3 bars that who are running our package special, the price and how many cans. And the second one that you will ask for the medium. What's the medium size?
What's the medium size?
Of our bottles. So we got one winner. It's Vodafone number.
Yeah.
761 7000.
761
7000.
7000.
So I'll give you the other number for the winner for the second one.
Here's one. 1.25 liters.
Nice. That's
correct.
Yes,
the number is
correct.
766 50 5020.
Okay. 766-5020. Just to remind our customers there, our Vailima lovers out there, we got a pass that run the package special. Yep, it's a good deal. And it's not just for happy hour time. It's the whole night for the whole week. So that's really good. If your families and friends that coming from overseas, they're willing to, these are the 7 bars that we already call it out for you to take your friends and your families to. Tomorrow, we're gonna do our Coke Zero sampling taste at Frankie Hyper Vitale. So only for 3 hours. So we're gonna start at 9 to 11 or 12. So if you're around that area, pop in, and because it's free, you can taste. And we have a survey questions. It's only 5 questions that you can just tick, and then